Hi, I'm Connie from Free Motion by the River, and this is the 1st of April, so it's time for the UFO challenge again. My March UFO challenge was I had a bunch of 7-inch half square triangles to do something with. What I did is I ended up making them into a quilt. Some of them I turned into quarter square triangles, so then of course I had to cut these down smaller. Had the fabric, had enough of the binding. Backing is some other old fabrics. So I am very happy that I got that done. And then I even wrote a pattern. So I've got the honey drift quilt pattern on my website. Also, I'll be sharing on my website the winner. If you posted your UFO and what you were doing, one lucky person is going to win these clips and this pattern. For April, I'm going to be giving away this package of Island Boutique. They're 5-inch strips, I think, aren't they? Yep, 5-inch strips. This is really fun to use. And that will be on my website. You'll want to go there and look for the UFO challenge for April. And that's where you can find and you can leave a link and enter the giveaway. So, for this month, I still have all these blocks. Got 2 different types of the spool blocks, string spools. That still has to be finished. I have this bundle of 6-inch with the fabric, strips of fabric. Don't know what I want to make out of that. I have this table topper kit. That's a Melissa Gilbert. It's called Evening Star. And the whole kit is in here. I have these twinkle fabrics. Love these. I don't know why I've never used them yet. And these are 1/8 of a yard pieces. I have Lori Holt. I'm making this quilt, Vintage Christmas. I have this many blocks done, and there are still a lot more to do. So that's a UFO. This one is a sampler quilt, really old. In fact, it's got the same background as a quilt I just finished the other day. So that is one of my UFOs. A baby quilt. This one got picked to be nice because it would be fast. And then this is a huge, huge quilt that I made with fabrics that I bought from Craftsy a long time ago. The last one is this string quilt with flowers. So I've got all of them in here. So we'll roll them all down in here. Shake them around. See what I pick out for April. Oop, 2 of them. Okay. Boutique Sampler, number 11. Oh. Okay. That is this one. That's pretty. So that'll be the next quilt that I'll be doing, UFO. And actually, I'm going to get this done on my old long arm before my new one comes next month. So what do you think? So are you working on your UFOs? And I would love to hear what you're doing, what you think. Something else I'm also doing on my website is a color challenge. So every month I'm making blocks with a new color. For April, the color is going to be pink. And these are my churn dash blocks that I've made. And there's a free pattern on my website for them. But you can make anything, anything that has pink in it. It can be a piece block, or you can do a quilt project. And there'll be a blog post for that. And for the color challenge for April, this will be the winner, or this will be a prize for the winner on that one. if you leave a picture of what quilt block that you're making. And I will also, in that blog post, I will share who won all of this. That was the March giveaway. So let me know what you think of everything, and I hope you will. The link is below for my website, so come over and take a look at things. I've always got tutorials, quilt tutorials, and all kinds of other things to share. Thank you.